Travel doesn't have to be expensive, and we are going to prove it. Today, we are sharing our favorite Dollar Tree travel finds that make packing easier, flights more comfortable, and trips more organized, all for just $1.25. From space saving hacks to travel sized essentials, you'll be amazed at how much value you can get on a budget. If you're new here, our channel is all about making travel accessible to everyone, no matter your age or your budget. So stick around, let's dive into these Dollar Tree must-haves that every budget-savvy traveler needs. Hello, welcome, and for those returning to our channel, welcome back. We are Wayne Melissa Travel, a 50-plus couple sharing our adventures in budget travel. I'm going to add timestamps to this video so you can shop by groupings. I'm going to start with makeup, but then I will list the other ones I will do, and you can just advance to that particular topic if you have more of an interest in that. So this is the makeup section, and there are so many good items at Dollar Tree. These little makeup brushes, the size of them, perfect for travel. You don't have to carry your big, bulky, expensive brushes. And then the makeup, they have concealer, they have different types of foundation, all different shades. If you're unsure of which shade, get two shades and mix them. You can put the foundation into contact lens cases and they won't take up hardly any space. The mascara, the size of this mascara is perfect for travel. You'll at least get a week's worth. When I wear this pressed powder, people always comment on my complexion and how smooth it is. It is fabulous foundation pressed powder. Aren't these colors fun? This lip plumper is wonderful. And try different colors, maybe colors you wouldn't normally try. You guys have seen my video on this toiletry bag. $1.25. You can pack this like a toiletry bag. It's fantastic. Different pouches. Shop for Dollar Tree. Look in the lower bins and you'll find different kinds of pouches. In the United States, we take it for granted that we always have a washcloth. You will find out when you travel to different parts of the world, they do not have washcloths. So these microfiber towels are very handy. Those ampules with the niacinamide and the collagen, wonderful for travel. And then look at all of these small sized skincare products. You can try something new. They even have brands you're very familiar with, but just in a smaller size. Perfect for travel. It is so much fun to go see what I can find. This oil, my understanding is it's a replacement for the ordinary skincare, which you know is very expensive. That hemp lotion smells fantastic. These are those contact lens cases I was telling you about. Speaking of smelling fantastic, these sprays, they come in the perfect size. They are under 4 ounces and they smell wonderful. They're a little chunky, so I wouldn't pack a bunch of them, but at least one or two. Those razors are my favorite. Look at this little small solid Old Spice dupe. Fantastic. This is the best hand cream you will find. It's a gel. It smells so clean and it does not make your hands sticky. These liners and these feminine cloths, these are great for travel because they're individually wrapped and they're very thin in size. So don't hesitate to try them. A lot of their products are 100% cotton. So for those that have sensitive skin, it's wonderful. And you don't just have to carry things that smell like alcohol. This smells like citrus and the other one smells like lavender. It is wonderful. They also had a coconut one and a cool lime. These wipes are a dupe for the Her products. Fantastic. The description on the box says vapor stick is not a vapor stick. It is a solid petroleum jelly, wonderful for moisturization. With skin, you will remember from my 911 how to pack your emergency pack. Take a look at all of these products that they have to pack your own emergency kit. They have small packages of Tylenol or acetaminophen, ibuprofen. I always pack cough drops. Look at these supplements. I have done the probiotic and prebiotic ones before. When I went to Mexico, they worked fantastic. Look at the size of these bath sponges. Perfect for travel. Pop one in your toiletry kit and you are all set. If you go to all inclusives, don't forget to pack some bath bombs. Now you hear me talking about my Turby towel. This is a new version of that. It's a microfiber towel. It's lightweight. Fantastic. Who doesn't love a face mask? Have you checked out the Dollar Tree assortment of face masks, hand masks, neck masks, foot masks? Wonderful. They also have travel-sized containers, things I have seen on Amazon for much more expensive. Look at this set. It's a complete set. Containers, bottles, little small containers for makeup. Wonderful price. This travel kit holds 3 different items. So you could put skincare, hair care, hair gel. A lot of these products are dollar store brands, but you will recognize a lot too. There's some Dove. I've seen Suave in here, VO5 in here. These flat containers, look how thin they are and they pack very flat. Once you use all the product, you can refill the jars. I know a lot of the products I am showing are very female focused, but they do have products for men as well. Here is some men body care moisturizer. They also have several deodorants for men, and then some of the products are unscented, so they would be great for anybody. This is a great way to try out a new skincare when the sizes are travel friendly, so you will have no trouble getting them through TSA. You can try a different scent, you can try a different color. Dollar Tree health and beauty aisle is really changed a lot in the past 18 months or so. There's tissue, there are so many kinds of lip balm, so many types of bandages and things to pack your 911 emergency kit when you travel. And I do highly recommend that you pack a portable pharmacy when you do travel. Just this past weekend, we were away and Wayne cut his hand. And thankfully, I had everything in my purse that I needed to get him cleaned up, put a bandage on it until we were actually on a boat. And then when we got back to shore, we were able to give him more treatment. But in the moment, just having everything we needed at hand was so calming. And if you don't want to go to the trouble of creating a first aid kit, they have some that are already pre made. They have them in different containers, different sizes. They have done a fantastic job with their first aid section. If you are traveling to a warm climate, I highly recommend these soothing after sun products. They have lotion, they have aloe vera gel, and they have the wipes, and they are so refreshing after a day on the beach. This size of Clorox wipes are perfect for you to take on the plane to wipe off the seat belt, the back pocket, and your tray table. I used to use a Ziploc bag, but now if I have the space, I use this insulated cold pack. You just throw some ice in there, and if you have a headache or a burn or sore muscles or you've pulled something, this can come in so handy and it's such a good size. Aren't these fun? So many different types of flip-flops and slides. Look at these. Look at these bedroom slippers. $1.25 to have an extra pair of shoes. Cool hats. This little drawstring bag, I pack those when I go to all inclusives. So I just carry that around with me instead of carrying a purse. How fun are these socks? Everyone needs another pair of socks, and these slipper socks are super soft. Who doesn't like a cozy pair of socks when you are on vacation? Let me show you some toiletries that I found. Those foldable toothbrushes. Oh my goodness, they are perfect not only for traveling, but for budget traveling. They are wonderful. They're lightweight, they don't take up a lot of space. You can find so many different products, especially in the toiletry aisle. The small toothpaste, the small plaque removers. They have some electrolyte packets. Look at those little interdental brushes. Perfect. And if you can find them, try to find the foldable brushes that come with the toothpaste. You get both for $1.25. Continuing on to hair care. If you can find this Flex brand, they have mousse, hairspray, and dry shampoo. These are 2.5 ounces, so they are well within the requirements for TSA. You will have no trouble packing these in your personal item. These next few items are definitely not have to haves, but they are sure nice to haves. Pillow spray, room spray, just things to make your rental space a little bit more like home. It's very pleasant. They're made with essential oils. They are very, very nice. And then have you guys These Velcro rollers, I remember wearing them as a teenager, but they're great for travel because you don't have to plug them in. Speaking of heatless curling sets, look at this, $1.25. Have you seen these on TikTok? They are so fun. My hair's not long enough, but poopery. Poopery can be $4 to $5 for a small container. Look at this one. It's thin, like the size of a credit card, so you can just slide it into your purse or your belt bag. And I recommend everyone travel with a little poopery spray. Okay, now we're going to get on to the very practical things. Carabiners. You cannot have too many carabiners. They hook to your backpack, they hook to your handle, they hook to your belt bag. You can hook water bottles with them. These suction cup hooks, these are great for the shower. They're great for a bathroom mirror. They will just give you more space because it's vertical space instead of countertop space, which is so hard to come by. So shop the hardware aisle of your Dollar Tree. See these teeny tiny little super glues? These are great for an emergency kit. I pack them every time and I have used them every time. The arm on our sunglasses will break or eyeglasses will break, a handle will break, the shoe sole will come off. How practical is a rain poncho? It takes up no space. It's $1.25. Throw it in your kit. If you need it, you have got it. Look at all of these electronics, a headlamp. Headlamps are so convenient when you're walking around unfamiliar places. You've seen our nightlight, our USB nightlight. These are another option. If you're going somewhere that has a regular North American plug, you can use that. Did you know that Dollar Tree has AirTag holders? Did you know they had phone pockets? Did you know they had cell phone stands? They have a lot of little items for travel for your electronics. So make sure you stop by your local Dollar Tree and see what they have in their electronics section. I always recommend taking your own set of 3.5 millimeter cable earphones. So if you are on a flight with in-flight entertainment, sometimes they'll give you headphones and sometimes they won't. So bring your own. I have seen these phone stands going for a lot more than $1.25 on Amazon. These fold flat, relatively flat, so they're great for traveling. Let's talk about travel laundry. You cannot take bleach with you when you travel. However, check this out. Bleach tablets. You can totally take these bleach tablets with you. Dollar Tree has these for $1.25 for 10 tablets. They also have stain remover wipes. These work just as well as the shout wipes. They also have these scent beads. You throw these in the washing machine and your laundry smells fantastic. If you're somewhere where you have to hang up your laundry, the laundry will smell good while it's hanging on the line, and then it smells so fresh and clean when it is dry. So check out the laundry department or the laundry section of your local Dollar Tree. One more thing in the laundry section that I could not believe they had was a wrinkle releaser spray. It is comparable to Downy. I have tried it myself. $1.25. The container is even bigger. You cannot beat this. This is a fantastic price. All right, let's talk about in-flight snacks. Those of you who travel budget airlines know that they do not supply you with any type of snack, so you have to bring your own. Have you checked out the prices of airport snacks? $5 and $6 for a small bag of chips, $3 and $4 for a small candy bar. Bring your own snacks. $1.25, you can get all different kinds of snacks. You can get high quality snacks or you can get junk food. These are Wayne's favorite, these cow tails, so I had to show you those. But you can get beef jerky, you can get nuts and different kinds of seeds, different kind of nut mixes, and then the regular candy, crackers, cookies, jelly beans, gummy bears, gum, mints, you name it, they've got it. Look at this. They even have dried fruit. You guys know how much dried fruit is at the grocery store. Get your snacks at Dollar Tree. A lot of times we will pack snacks in our carry-on suitcases, and these aren't for our in-flight snacks. These are for destination snacks. Because a lot of times you go somewhere and you don't immediately get access to a store other than what's in the airport. So it's nice to be able to check into your hotel and have something in your suitcase that you know you enjoy having as a snack. in case it's time in between meals, whether it's weather and you can't get out and get something, or you're not sure exactly where to go, or you're just so tired you don't want to have to think about it. Guys, look at these water bottles. $1.25 for these water bottles. How adorable. Now check out these disposable coffee cups. You don't feel bad about leaving a coffee cup behind when you paid $1.25 for 3 of them. I used these this year to give gifts. I put a gift card in there and I put a couple little um eye masks and different travel things and gave them away as gifts, and people absolutely loved them. These would make great teacher gifts. These would make great coach gifts if your children are on a travel team and you want to get a little something for the coaches or for the coach's family. These are so adorable. These are high quality water bottles. These are all BPA free if that's something that you're concerned with, and it's $1.25 and they were all lightweight. We all use Ziploc bags when we travel, whether you're using it for your 311 bag or you just take some extra with you like we do. So when we have leftover snacks, we have a place to put them. Sunglass cases. I use this for my eyeglass case. It makes sure my glasses don't get crushed. And these have a great assortment of different sunglasses. Now, the sunglasses are $1.50. So they're 25 cents more than most other things in the store. But for $1.50, I mean, look at this eyeglass case. This is $1.25 and it is a neoprene padded eyeglass case. You know how much I love journaling when I travel. So if you don't want to do a high investment and just try it out and see what you think, go get one of these little doodle journals or a regular journal. There's such a variety of different ones. There's ones for kids, for adults, for men, for women. Just give yourself a place to put down your thoughts, even if it's practical things like the flight did not have this and I would have liked that, or this is what I forgot to pack and I need to make sure I remember that next time. We take lots of notes when we're traveling and it helps us become better travelers the next time. Now, this section gets me, I won't say gets me in trouble because I find lots of cool things, but at the cash register, the marketing people at Dollar Tree are absolute geniuses because have you ever gone to a Dollar Tree and not had to wait in line? Some of my favorite products are found in the impulse buy section right near the register. So take some time and look it over. You will find 14 different kinds of lip balm. Believe me, you will find the one thing that you didn't know you had to have. These Dollar Tree travel items prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to travel smart and stay organized. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which Dollar Tree find was your favorite. We have got so much more coming your way to help you travel smarter, save more, and explore the world no matter your budget. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly travel hacks and tips that make travel accessible for everyone. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.